Looking for PMO Portfolio Template? The PMO Dashboard template provides comprehensive reports to the portfolio and program managers. PMO Dashboard is a powerful tool for senior management to understand the status of project. In this present era, in project management, the dashboard has an immense effect. More and more organizations are accepting and taking advantage of this unique tool. But how can a dashboard improve the performance of your projects? The Project Management Office template set provides a streamlined way for organizations to approve, track, and spin up new projects while aggregating key metrics across all projects in real time. Monitor project progress with our free Project Management Dashboard template. Track task status, budget, and your project progress. Download your Excel project dashboard today and take the first step to good project tracking. The Project Management Dashboard is your eyes into the overall workings of the project. It provides an at-a-glance view of the KPI, or key performance indicators, of the project. The dashboard offers views of cost, budget, time, health, workload, progress, risk, issues and changes, plus so much more, in the project. Think of it as a progress report at the tip of your fingers. All those areas are collected on one page, and that page is populated by graphs that record the data visually for a project manager to easier digest and get a snapshot of where they are in the life cycle of the work. A project manager needs a bird's eye view of the project, and the project dashboard offers the ideal perspective, which gives a leader all the pertinent information needed to make the right decisions.